Okay, guys, it's Surging Sparks time. We're going this one first. But wait, what? Take it just later because it might be a lucky one.
I think I see something.
Yes!
That's the last one?
Yeah.
It's a hollow. Get another one.
Pikachu.
Where's your sleeves?
Oh, wait. Pikachu. Please.
Need the Pikachu.
Please. We have something in here. You're so hard to open, Pikachu. Pikachu, you're so hard.
Dapat ano? One Pikachu and one yellow one.
Oh, shucks.
No, not like that.
The other way around.
No, aka na.
There you go.
Oh, I see something.
Okay, hold it. I'll do
I
it.
see an ace.
Oh, that's a rare one. Look.
I think there's an ace pack. There is an ace pack. I think.
Relax.
Oh!
What's the last one? Oh, the Aga.
What just happened?
Very nice.
First ace pack.
Lagay mo agad sa ano mo.
Okay.
That's a rare one too.
My first ace pack. Okay, guys.